Alright, today we'll be unboxing the Saker miniature chainsaw. I will tell you what we think about it. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, get it plugged in, and then we'll go from there.
So you guys stick around and we'll show you whether this chainsaw is able to trim this tree. So stick around and find out.
So Saker sent us one of these. They wanted us to give it a try, so we did not pay for this. They sent it to us and asked us if we do a video on it. And we said we would, but we'll give an honest review. So this is our first time using it. I have seen other videos on it, so I have an idea of what it's gonna be like. But this is our first time using it, so we're gonna show you what it's like to unbox it. We'll probably have to charge it. We'll show you, and if so, then we'll bring you back and show you how we're gonna use it. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna get this thing opened up.
Okay, I need something to open it. Okay, here we go. Alright. So it sounds like there's a lot of pieces in it, so you need to be careful you don't lose anything. So it comes with a charger.
So it comes with a charger and then a battery. So it's a 20-volt battery that it comes with. So we'll get this on the charger here. And then it comes with a Phillips. This is probably to adjust the chain, a little bit of chain oil. Oh, and then another, so a chain wrench. It comes with this additional chain wrench here. And then the actual saw itself. So here's the saw, and it actually has a guard on it. It's pretty lightweight, and it looks like it's made of, it's decent quality. It looks pretty good. So we're excited to give it a try here. Now it's light, it's nimble, it looks like it'd be really easy to use. So let's get the battery charged, and then we'll bring you back and actually show you how we're gonna use it. So the most obvious thing about this saw is it's super tiny. So it's really small, you hold it with one hand, it's incredibly lightweight. So the benefits are you can take it with you can climb up this tree, that's no problem. Of course, the concern, the big question is it gonna be able to cut through these thicker branches as we trim this tree? Because that's what's necessary. So we'll show you how this works for us as we trim this tree.
Come over to Saker.
Can you just lop that top right there too?
Watch that. about your dang film, but you don't care about getting hit by no branch. Yes.
That whole thing needs to come off, babe. Just cut it.
What, this one?
Yeah. Cut that little one out of your way and then it'll...
Watch out.
And that one.
What?
This one.
Which one?
The one you almost touched, but you didn't
This
actually...
one?
Yes.
I trimmed this old tree up with this little saw, and I still got plenty of juice left. Did a really good job. I was able to climb the tree with this in my hand, so it makes it good if you're up there inside the tree trying to climb and get up high branches, because it's really light and you can hold on to it while you're climbing. So I got all these branches off of one charge, and if you take a look at the tree over here, if you like, see what it looks like.
This saw is super lightweight. It actually worked really, really well. So we were impressed with how well it allowed us to cut these branches and trim this tree here at the rental house. We were trying to just get those branches off the roof, and it was very effective. So we definitely recommend this if you're in the market for a small chainsaw. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.